You know someone making 40,000 a year who always has money, and you know someone making 80,000 who's always broke. Same city, similar expenses, completely different outcomes. The difference isn't income. It's the rules they follow every single day. Most people think more money solves money problems. It doesn't. More money just amplifies your habits. If your habits are broken, you'll be broke at any income level. But if you follow the right rules, you can build wealth and freedom on a modest salary. Today, I'm breaking down 20 minimalist rules that guarantee you always have money. Not all of them will feel comfortable. Some will push back against everything you've been taught, but that's exactly why they work. My name is Ivan, and I spend way too much time thinking about money, financial psychology, and why some people seem to effortlessly build wealth while others stay stuck in the same patterns for decades. If you're someone who wants to understand the real mechanics behind wealth building instead of just hoping things will magically improve, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if it ends up helping you see money differently. Here's why this matters. Minimalism isn't about deprivation, it's about precision. It's removing everything that doesn't serve you so what remains can actually grow. Most people are drowning in noise, excess stuff, excess commitments, excess spending, and all of it drains their wealth without them noticing. These 20 rules are your defense system. Follow them, and you'll live better with less while building wealth that compounds year after year. Let's go. Rule 1. Eliminate toxic debt immediately. Some debt builds wealth. A mortgage at 4% that lets you own property, a business loan that generates income. But most debt is poison. Credit cards at 25%, payday loans, financing furniture you don't need. Every dollar going to high-interest debt is a dollar stolen from your future. This isn't about being debt-free for moral reasons. It's math. If you're paying 20% interest while earning 10% on investments, you're losing 10% annually. Pay off expensive debt before anything else. It's the highest guaranteed return you'll ever get. Freedom begins the moment you cut those chains. Rule 2. Control your mornings. The way you start your day determines how it ends. If you wake up and immediately dive into chaos, scrolling your phone, reacting to messages, rushing around, you'll spend the whole day in survival mode. Survival mode doesn't create wealth. Wealth is created with clarity, focus, and intentional action. On your mornings, wake up with a plan, not with panic. Use your first minutes for yourself. Exercise. Read something that challenges you. Write down your priorities. No phone, no noise, no distractions. These first quiet minutes plant the seeds of a successful day. Repeated daily, they compound into a successful life. The wealthy understand this. That's why they protect their mornings like a fortress. Rule 3. Plan purchases in advance. Most financial mistakes come from impulse. You see something. You want it. You buy it. Later regret. Protect yourself with planning. Whenever you feel the urge to buy, write it down instead. Wait. Research. Let the initial excitement fade. If after a week or a month you still need it, then maybe it's worth it. But most desires die with time. You save both money and space. The minimalist doesn't buy to feel good in the moment. They buy to solve real problems or create long-term value. This one rule alone can save you thousands annually because most purchases you think you need today, you won't remember next month. Rule 4. Simplify your finances. Many accounts, many cards, scattered investments. Complexity creates confusion, and confusion kills wealth. Simplify everything. Centralize your finances. One checking account, one savings account, one credit card paid in full monthly. Automate your bills and savings. Create a clear picture of what comes in and what goes out. Though crucial, simplicity brings clarity. Clarity brings control. The simpler your system, the less stress you feel and the more money you keep. I've seen people with 6 bank accounts and 7 credit cards who have no idea where their money actually goes. That's not sophisticated. That's chaos disguised as complexity. Rule 5. Set 3 annual priorities maximum. Without focus, life scatters. The year passes, and you look back wondering where it went. Set no more than 3 annual priorities. Clear goals that, if achieved, transform your life. Save $15,000. Pay off credit card debt. Build a specific skill. Align your daily actions with these priorities and ignore everything else. Minimalists know that trying to do everything leads to nothing. Doing a few things with quality leads to wealth. Every time you're tempted to chase a new goal or opportunity, ask yourself, does this serve one of my 3 priorities? If not, it's a distraction. Cut it. Rule 6. Build a functional wardrobe. Every decision costs mental energy. Why waste it choosing clothes every morning? A functional wardrobe is simple, versatile, and high quality. Fewer pieces that match easily, last longer, and fit most situations. You'll never say, I have nothing to wear. You'll save time, reduce stress, and keep money in your pocket instead of closets full of unused clothes. Style isn't about quantity. It's about clarity. Pick a few colors that work together. Buy quality basics that last years. Donate everything else. Decision fatigue is real. Every choice you eliminate in low-value areas gives you more mental energy for high-value decisions, like investing in career moves. Rule 7. Reduce empty social commitments. Time is your most valuable resource. Every time you say yes to a commitment that adds no value, you're giving away hours of your life you'll never get back. Stop saying yes just to avoid discomfort or keep up appearances. Choose fewer but deeper interactions. A dinner with a true friend is more valuable than 10 events where you make small talk and feel drained. The minimalist knows that energy is currency. Spend it wisely, and you'll always have more for what really matters. Plus, most social commitments come with spending. Drinks, meals, events, tickets. Cutting empty commitments saves money and time simultaneously. Rule 8. Master your calendar. If it's not scheduled, it won't happen. That's the law. Without a calendar, you live in reaction mode, constantly pulled by urgencies and distractions. Minimalists master their calendar. They schedule what matters, protect focus blocks, say no to interruptions. They treat time like money because time is money. And when you respect your hours, your bank account respects you back. Block time for learning, for side projects, for exercise, for planning finances. If it's important enough to do, it's important enough to schedule. Everything else is noise. Rule 9. Protect your energy reserves. You're not a machine. If you burn out, you'll make poor decisions with both life and money. Sleep, rest, and recovery aren't luxuries. They're investments. A tired mind overspends, procrastinates, falls for traps. A rested mind saves, plans, executes. Minimalism means protecting your most valuable asset, your energy, and spending it where it multiplies. I've watched people work 80-hour weeks trying to get ahead while making terrible financial decisions because exhaustion destroyed their judgment. Working harder doesn't build wealth. Working smarter with sustained energy does. Rule 10. Create a 30-day waiting list for desires. Not every desire deserves immediate action. Most are just sparks that vanish quickly. When you want something, write it down, but wait 30 days before deciding. After 30 days, if the desire is still there, it may be worth it. If not, you saved yourself from another unnecessary expense. This rule builds discipline, clarity, and respect for your money. Amazon wish lists work great for this. Add items. Check back monthly. You'll be shocked how many things you wanted desperately that you don't even remember adding. Rule 11. Choose quality over quantity. Anyone can have many things. Only wise people choose good things. Quality lasts, saves money, creates stability. Buy fewer clothes, but buy durable ones. Fewer gadgets, but ones that last. Apply this to relationships, habits, even your time. When you invest in quality, you waste less and wealth follows. A $200 pair of boots that lasts 10 years beats 5 pairs of $40 boots that die in 2 years each. Do the math. Quality wins every time. Plus, you spend less mental energy replacing broken garbage. Rule 12. Limit information intake. We live in an age of noise, news, videos, opinions, endless scrolling. Most of it doesn't help you. It just fills your head and steals focus. Information overload is the new form of debt. It drains you without giving anything back. Filter what you consume. Choose a few reliable sources. Read or watch with the intention, not passively. Disconnect from the flood. When you do, your mind becomes sharper, your decisions stronger, your confidence greater. Money grows in clarity, not in noise. Cut the news. Unfollow accounts that add no value. Unsubscribe from email lists. Protect your attention like you protect your wallet. Rule 13. Keep your home simple. Your home isn't just where you live, it's where your mind rests. If it's full of clutter, mess, and visual noise, you'll never feel peace. A chaotic environment breeds a chaotic mind. Simplifying your home doesn't mean living like a monk. It means removing the useless, organizing what remains, creating space that supports focus and calm. When everything has its place and excess is gone, you'll waste less time, make quicker decisions, feel lighter. A calm mind makes sharper financial choices. Plus, less stuff means less to maintain, clean, organize, and stress about. Rule 14. Practice emotional detachment from objects. How many things are you keeping just because they carry a memory? These items weigh you down more than you think. Memories live in your mind, not in physical objects. By letting go, you gain lightness and clarity. The same applies to money. Don't stay stuck in financial decisions just because of pride or past mistakes. Let go, reset, move forward. Minimalism is freedom from the past and freedom to build the future. That expensive gym membership you never use, the subscription box you don't open, the degree program you hate, sunk costs, cut them and move on. Rule 15. Reduce dependence on technology. Technology is a tool, but when it controls you, it becomes a prison. Notifications, endless feeds, constant checking, all of these steal focus and money. Minimalists use technology to build, not to waste. Set boundaries. Cut unnecessary apps. Your attention is more valuable than gold. Don't give it away free. Delete social media apps from your phone. Turn off all notifications except calls and texts. Check email twice daily maximum. Reclaim your attention and watch your productivity and savings both explode. Rule 16. Start with the basics. Minimalism begins with clearing the ground. If your life is full of clutter, both physical and financial, you'll never build anything solid. Look at your expenses, your commitments, your routines. Ask yourself what's truly essential, what feeds you, and what drains you. Start removing obvious waste and use subscriptions, unnecessary purchases, habits that add nothing to your future. Think of it as cleaning a floor before building a house. No construction survives on top of debris. When you strip away excess, what remains will be strong, focused, and ready to support real growth. Rule 17. Embrace routine. Many people think routine is boring, but routine is the silent weapon of freedom. When you depend only on willpower, you burn out quickly. When your important actions are part of routine, they happen automatically. A minimalist routine isn't overloaded. It's light, sharp, and focused on what truly matters. It saves energy, removes confusion, builds consistency. And consistency, more than bursts of effort, is what makes wealth grow. Morning routine, evening routine, weekly financial check-in, monthly review. Build systems that run without thinking. That's how the wealthy operate. Rule 18. Maintain high-value relationships only. Your circle shapes your future. Surround yourself with people who challenge you, inspire you, support you. Cut ties with those who drain energy, distract you, lead you into wasteful habits. A few good friends are more valuable than 1,000 contacts. The right people make you richer, not poorer. If your friends encourage debt, spending, and instant gratification, you'll stay broke. If they encourage investing, learning, and growth, you'll build wealth. Choose carefully. Your net worth tends to match the average of your 5 closest friends. Rule 19. Rest with purpose. Rest isn't just lying around. Real rest recharges you. Disconnect. Practice silence. Walk in nature. Breathe. Don't just scroll through your phone or binge distractions. Purposeful rest gives you energy to come back stronger, sharper, and more capable. A capable person makes better financial moves. Passive rest, like watching TV for 4 hours, doesn't recharge you. It drains you further. Active rest, like hiking, reading, or meaningful conversation, actually restores energy. Know the difference. Rule 20. Review your life every 6 months. Minimalism isn't a one-time event. It's continuous. Every 6 months, review your life. Look at routines, finances, commitments. What has become excess again? What no longer serves you? Cut it. Refocus. Realign. This review keeps your life sharp, lean, and always moving toward freedom. Schedule it. Make it non-negotiable. Most people drift through years without ever checking if they're on track. Don't be most people. Here's the reality. These 20 rules sound simple, but most people won't follow them. They'll read this, nod along, then go back to the same patterns that keep them broke. Don't be that person. Pick 3 rules from this list, just 3. Implement them this week. Master them this month. Then add 3 more. Wealth isn't about doing everything perfectly from day one. It's about doing a few things consistently over time. Less waste, less noise, less confusion. That creates more money, more freedom, more life. The minimalist path isn't easy, but it works, and it's available to anyone willing to cut the excess and focus on what actually matters. Start today. Your future self will thank you.